Hello class, this is another video on multivariable simultaneous equations. In this video we'll be learning how to adapt the elimination method for simultaneous equations with more than two unknown variables. Okay, so really we're only going to be using substitution or elimination method. So here we go. So the first thing we do is it's actually very useful to to number everything first. Now what we do first is we pair everything, we pair equations in two. So for this I'm going to make 1 and 2 a pair, 1 and 3 a pair, like so. So bring these two together. Normally you'd have to rewrite these, but I've got an iPad, so thank goodness for that. And now we're going to choose to eliminate one variable. For this, I often just like to get rid of the last one. So I'm going to multiply these so that the last variable is the same coefficient. So this will stay the same. It will just become 2x plus 3y plus 4z equals 20. But this I'm going to multiply by 4 to make these two match. So I'm going to multiply this by 4. I'll color code it just so that you follow what's going on. So 4 times 3 is 12x. 4 times 2 is plus 8y. 4 times z, or negative z, is negative 4z equals 4 times 4 is 16. Now from here we do just a regular elimination. Since these two are the same, it'll be 4 plus negative 4. So we're going to do an addition like so. So it'll become 14x plus 11y. These two are eliminated, equals 36. I'm going to label this equation number 4. Good, so we're finished with 1 and 2. I'm now going to take 1 and 3 as a pair. Hang on, you'll see in a moment. Normally I'd write everything out, but with the iPad I can just get rid of number 2 and pair them up like so. Now in the exact same way, we're going to multiply these so that they are the same coefficient or the same value. So for this, I'm going to multiply this by 3. I'm going to multiply this by 4. Okay. So 2 times 3 is going to be 6x. 3 times 3 is plus 9y. 4 times 3 is 12z. 20 times 3 is equal 60. We do the same for the the equation number 3. It becomes 20x plus 16y minus 12z equals 16. Okay, yep. And once again, we eliminate the same variable here. So this will become, we're going to add them. It'll become 26x plus 25y, 0z equals 76. And I'm going to label this one equation number 5. Now, look, we now have two variables here. I'm now going to pair these two and solve that one. So it'll become, let's grab this, and let's grab this one, and once again we're going to pick one of the variables and eliminate them. Okay. Now the only thing that I can think of to eliminate for this is I'm just going to make both of these the same. So we're going to multiply this, it's color coded again. I'm going to multiply this by 25. I'm going to multiply this one by 11. Okay, so I'm going to use a calculator this time. You're going to hear me type it in. So 14 times 25 is 350x. 11 times 25 is 275. 275y. And 36 times 25 is 900. Good. We do the same for this row. So remember, we're multiplying it out like this. So 25 by 26, 650x plus, oh sorry, I did 25, I did the wrong multiplication, sorry. 26 times 11, 286. 25 times 11, it's 275 again. Oh, of course, it has to be the same. 76 times 11 is 836. And then from here, we eliminate y. In this case, I'm going to subtract. 350 take away 286 is 64x. These two are eliminated. 900 minus 836 is 64. That's nice and easy. X equals 1. Now from here, we begin to work backwards. We're going to now substitute. I need another page here actually. I thought I had enough. Let's add another page. Then from here, we're going to take this and going to substitute it into either 4 or 5, because these have only 2 variables. So we're going to substitute to this one or substitute to this one. The smaller number is this one. I'm going to substitute it into 4. So sub into 4. Let's copy that one. Substituting substituting 1. So it becomes 14 times 1. So that'll become 11y equals 22, because I'm subtracting 14, which means y is equal to 2. Now I'm going to take this one, I'm going to substitute it back into one of the originals this time. Okay, because now we need to find z. So let's just pick any of these. Let's pick 1. So this is the first equation, so I'm going to substitute into 1. But I'm also going to take x equals 1, which we found previously. So I'm going to take this one and this one. So substitute here and substitute here. This will give me z. So 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6 equals 20. 8 plus 4z equals 20. 4z equals 12. Z equals 3. So our solutions are x equals, well, in x, y, z form. It is going to be 1, 2, 3. And there we have it. So I hope that gave you an insight into how we would use the elimination method and substitution method to solve a system of equations with more than 2 variables. Here are the solutions, by the way, that I pre-found, and there we have it. So in the next few videos, it'll just be more examples of the same. So you can actually pause and give them a go here and here. Okay, so hope to see you then. Best of luck.